Hey guys, today we're going to be working on a Aston Martin 1963 DB5. Love that British green color that this one has, but we're going to modify it and make it look even nicer. So let's get started. We got it drilled apart and stripped, and this is what we have. I have to get some new wheels on it. Got this all stripped pretty good, so we'll take this to the paint shop and be right back. Alright, the car's back from the paint shop. So the original didn't have any decals on it, so I won't be putting any decals on this. Came out pretty nice. Oh boy, came out pretty nice. And you shouldn't drop it. It's probably not a good thing. And we'll put her back together. Right back. We started with this, and we ended up with this. Well, that wraps up another custom. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you click the little bell. Appreciate your comments. Give a thumbs up if you like it, if you like the video. And we'll catch you on the next custom. Have a great day.